All right, y'all, look what I ordered from Amazon. So this is a beauty and salon nail art kit, and this has 500 false nails in it. You guys can order this from Amazon for 10 bucks. And let me show y'all how long the nails are. Hold on. Okay, this don't look that long, but oh yes it is, y'all. These are long. I got the coffin shape. So this is how they look. Can y'all see that? I guess they got this. Oh, they're the same length. So yeah, I'm excited about these. So it's 500 in the pack, and you can just polish them, you know, whatever color you want. All right, y'all. Here's the nails. This doing my nail thing is kind of fun. All right, y'all. Here's my nails. I did a good job polishing them. This is the Big Apple Red by OPI, and I did a good job. I think I can get used to this. Tony, you like them?
Oh yeah, they're beautiful.
Tony, stop playing. Do you like them?
Yeah, they look good.
Love my haters, boy. I just finished doing my hair and my makeup. Turned out pretty cute. I've been glued to the TV all morning with all this crazy BS that's going on right now. I cannot pull myself from in front of the TV. Last night they issued a 8 o'clock curfew for our city because we have had I think 2 different areas where they were protesting, downtown and at the beach. So we got that going on. So it's just been crazy. It's just been crazy, y'all. It's hard for me because I have, you know, a husband, I have 2 sons, I have brothers, my dad, my uncles, you know, so it's hard that we have to keep going through this. But you know, we're gonna just pray for better days. My heart goes out to the family, and it's a lot, y'all. It's crazy. But I'm getting ready to do a mukbang, so I gotta try to pull myself together. I didn't do a mukbang last week. I was supposed to film a mukbang on Friday and I couldn't do it. So then I said, okay, well maybe I'll move it to Saturday or Sunday. Didn't do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get myself back on schedule. So I'm gonna film today, Wednesday and Friday. I plan on ordering my couch today because I wanted to order it last week, the one that I found, but it was out of stock. So you know, you can leave your email so you can be notified when it's back in stock, and it's back in stock. So I need to go ahead and order it today. So I'm gonna do that after I get everything done. I need to put on some lip gloss. All right, so I have my crabs here. I just cleaned them. Dungeness crab, one of my favorites. They're really good. So when I do my pot, I like to use bell pepper, garlic powder, Florida seasoning. We can find this everywhere in Jacksonville. Publix, Winn-Dixie, Rose, any of our local seafood markets, they have the Florida seasoning. If you don't live in Jacksonville, I can't tell you what store to go to find the Florida seasoning because I live in Jacksonville. And y'all will be surprised how many people say, well, I'm in Detroit. Where can I find a Florida seasoning? Girl, I live in a whole Jacksonville, Florida. I don't know. You're going to have to Google it. I do know that you can find it on Amazon. A lot of people say that it's overpriced, but it's everywhere here in Jacksonville. So that's what I like to use. But you can use whatever you want to use. You don't have to use the Florida seasoning, but that's just what I like to use. And then this is the garlic powder. I always cut up a bell pepper, add that to my water, smoked paprika. Sometimes I'll add a half a lemon, and I used to add a stick of butter, but I don't really do that anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. Follow along and taste it as you go. That's the best advice that I can give you guys, because I do not use measurements. It's not my fault, I just don't cook that way. So okay, so here's my crabs. I have 3 Dungeness clusters and I cleaned them all up. A lot of people know already, but if you don't know, the crabs are already cooked. They're pre-cooked, but you're just basically putting them in the water to get a little flavor, because when they're cooked, I think they're just cooked and dropped in plain water, so they don't have any flavor at all except for, you know, the natural flavor. I have that, and then this is a little piece of bell pepper that I like to use. So I have my pot right here, and I'm probably gonna fill this up halfway because I only have 3 clusters. So I'm gonna use this small pot. Just gonna fill that up. And you don't want to put too much water because it'll boil over. So I'm gonna go with half. So that should be good enough. Put it on the stove. We're gonna turn it on high. And then while we're waiting for that to boil, you can go ahead and add your seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my Florida seasoning. And again, I just eyeball it. So that should be enough. Garlic powder. And that should be enough. Bell pepper. Smoked paprika. This is the one that I like to use. That should be enough. And now we wait. So we're gonna just wait for the water to boil, and I let it go for a little bit just to get the bell pepper flavor in the water. So that's what we're waiting on now. But I want to tell y'all that I did make some more ginger shots. I just put all of it in this one little glass jar because I don't have any small ones. I'm gonna show y'all as soon as I get the proper strainer, because the one that I have, the holes are a little bit big. The way that I strain it, it gets pretty messy because I don't have the proper strainer. And I don't want to show y'all doing it like that because it's a mess, but I get the job done. Okay, so this stuff is so strong, but I'll take like a ginger shot in the morning. So I like it, it's real strong. But this time I did add pineapple. I can't taste the pineapple because y'all know the ginger is very strong, so I can't really taste the pineapple, but I just wanted to try it to see if it would make a big difference. Child, it did. So it's still good. While we wait for the water, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and make my dip that I use for my crab legs. So I like to use mayo, not Miracle Whip, Frank's buffalo sauce, mustard, French's mustard, regular mustard, not brown mustard, not hot mustard, accent. Now again, if you guys want to try to make this and you want to, you know, change it and do it some different kind of way, that's fine. You know, just do whatever you want to do. All right, so there's no measurements to this, so I only have 3 clusters, so this should be enough mayo. You don't need that much because you don't want it to go to waste. Try to get down in here so you guys can see how much I use. Hopefully y'all can see that. All right, so that should be enough mayo. And then mustard, about that much. Accent, that should be enough. Just a little bit for some flavor, and then I add a little bit of the buffalo sauce, and I just mix it up. Now I don't use this bowl on my video, but I like to mix it in this bowl and then put it in a smaller bowl just so it doesn't look messy. could taste a little bit of it on your finger to see if you want to add, you know, more accent, more hot sauce, more mustard. But I already know that this would be perfect. I used to add lemon juice to it until we started adding the Frank's hot sauce, and this has enough tang so I don't need to add the lemon juice. So yeah, and this is so good with your seafood, y'all. I'm telling you, it's delicious. All right, then I'm gonna take another bowl, a smaller one, and I'm just going to put it in that bowl so everything looks nice and neat and clean. And there you go. That's how I make my mayo and mustard dip. We're boiling, so the crabs are ready to go in. I'm just gonna add 1, 2, and 3. Push them down. I turn my heat on medium. And I'll probably let these sit in for about 7 minutes. I don't let them sit long at all because, again, they're already cooked. Some people let theirs soak, but I don't, because I like that nice clean pop. Ooh, that's strong. Okay. Gonna pull them out. Look at that. It's serious, I'm telling you. So there's 2. And the last one. A little trick that I like to do. I put paprika on top. It's hard for me to do it with one hand because I usually just pat it on the bottom. I have some seasoned butter here that we keep in the refrigerator. I have a video on how I make this, but we just buy these little containers from the Dollar Tree for $1. Put it on top. Just like that. And then the butter will melt. Shake it around a little bit. What else? I add a little bit of the 2 times spicy because I've been like obsessed with this stuff. It has a really good flavor, but it's spicy. Let's see how it looks after the butter melts. Y'all see that? So then I'll put a few drops of this. Some people are confused by the whole reason behind seasoning the shell, but if you're a crab eater, you know what time it is. That's all I'm gonna say. If you eat crabs, you know what time it is. Okay, trust me, that flavor will get in your mouth. Trust me. And then you just take some parsley flakes. Y'all see how the crabs look? And you just sprinkle them on top. Sprinkle the parsley flakes on top to make them look really pretty. And there you go. And now I'm just gonna plate them and get my mukbang started. Now that that's done, I'm going to make Tony some crawfish. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some Dungeness crab. I have my mayo mustard dip here. And for today's drink, I'm just doing a cucumber lemon water. Happy Monday. We do have a story time. If you guys are new to my channel, I am obsessed with crime shows and investigation shows because I'm low-key an investigator, okay? I'm done editing my mukbang. I'm just drinking some cucumber lemon water. Refreshing. I ordered the couch. I'm so excited. It should be here between the 10th and the 16th. So I'm super excited about this couch, y'all. I cannot wait. It's so cute. It's simple, but it's cute. I ordered a new headboard. It's the exact same headboard that I have here, but it's a different color. So I'll have the link to it in the description box, because I don't know if I'm gonna open it as soon as it gets here, but it should be here today. So I'm so excited. I'm super excited about the couch, y'all. I cannot wait for y'all to see it. I just can't wait to decorate everything. It's gonna be really cute. So now I think I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit, watch a little bit of the news, because I just can't stop watching it.
His calling out, like Eric Gardner, but also including calling out for his mother, who had been dead for 3 years. None of this caused a release of... Not anymore. Now for about $1.
Have y'all ever seen this George Foreman commercial? It's so funny. You have to pay attention to like the end where his daughter is talking and the way George Foreman look. It's hilarious. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Watch him.
Washing machine, throw in the towel.
Look.
Let fixing it be your problem.
That just makes me laugh every time. That little part. He messed up the daggone commercial. But anyway, my headboard is here. I'm so excited. But like I told y'all, it looks just like the one that I have, but it's a different color. I'm gonna sneak a peek just to make sure that it's the right color. But I'm excited. So here it is. But I don't know if it's on the right side or not. Let me cover up my address. But I think I might need to wait for Tony before opening this box, because I want to make sure that it's the right color. Let me see if it tells me. It doesn't tell me on the outside. Let me look on here. Nope, it doesn't tell me. So I'm just gonna wait for Tony, and then I'm gonna open it and see if it's the right color. I ordered a few things from Etsy and it's taking forever. I placed my order like the 18th of April and it's still not here. So that's frustrating. Y'all, here's my dinner for tonight. I've been loving this salad with the tomatoes, cucumbers, avocados, Parmesan cheese, and wontons. I'm not gonna do any meat. So yummy.